We've got an amazing update I want to share with you. We now have carbon copy and blind carbon copy added to invoices. The CRM now offers both CC and BCC support for invoices, allowing business users to easily add additional context when sending invoices. Let's talk about those benefits. Now, with this update, businesses can now include additional stakeholders or people via carbon copy and blind carbon copy. Also, with the ability to add a secondary email address, sending invoices becomes more efficient and much more organized. This update is going to help businesses maintain a professional image and build stronger client relationships. There's a lot of practical use to this update. Any small business owner can now easily include not only their client, but their accountant and even their project manager in invoice communications, ensuring that all parties are informed and aligned regarding financial matters. Let me show you exactly where this is. First, we need to create a new invoice or we need to edit an existing one. To do that, you're going to go to Payments in the left-hand navigation, and then you're going to want to make sure that you're under Invoices in that upper navigation. Now, if you're creating that new invoice, you're going to simply click the plus new button and then go ahead and click the new invoice. Now, when you're done creating that invoice, I want you to go ahead and click the Send button, which is blue in the upper right-hand corner. This is where the new carbon copy and blind carbon copy will be. Now you can go ahead and include both carbon copy and blind carbon copy. So go ahead and select those and send that invoice off. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.